My secret talent is making fun photos for friends. So in this one, I started out with a sunflower picture I took, and then I lightened and brightened the yellow. In fact, I lightened and brightened it twice. Next, I increased the contrast just a little bit. But here's the fun part. I added a friend's baby's face to the sunflower. So there's the fun face, or the cute little baby face that I added. And what I did then was blend it in. So let me show you that one more time because that's the fun part. So I made it look like the baby's face was in the sunflower. The next part is just warming up the color a little bit, warming it a little bit more, warming it a little bit more, brightening the face up a little bit. And you can see I actually brightened the yellow and the sunflower. And then final touches, I added a little cheek and lip color. It's a little girl. And I made her eyes just a tad bluer. So that's it, having fun photos with friends' babies' faces.